And today, special thanks to our friends at i-Blason who are nice enough to send us their new Armorbox for the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro in black. Inside of this is nice. Nothing else in there. Now, get that off. This case has your extended warranty info and, of course, some little assembly instructions here. And essentially with this case, you don't get a clip with this one, but you do get a full front screen protector, which is what I really like. As you can see, this is fully protected and this is not a cutout. This actually covers the fingerprint reader. I've learned that if you set up your phone before your case is on it, set back up your fingerprint, either delete them and re-add them or just add yourself more fingerprints once your case is on. Now, as you can see from this case, it fully protects your Pixel 10. You've got a protector here for USB-C port, speaker grills. This, of course, is one of my favorite features, which pops out to be a nice little kickstand for vertical or horizontal viewing. And when you're done with it, you can just pop that right back down. And to take this case apart, you just kind of grab at this bottom right corner and then you're able to peel the main rubber sleeve off. And then you've got the front, and now the foam at the back. So, of course, to put this on your phone, just take this part, buttons first, pop it onto the phone from right to left. Then this part will be on the front of your Pixel 10. Your screen will be protected, and then you just basically repeat. I always go in at the top and then kind of work my way over to the buttons, making this corner very last. So this is what you would get with this Armorbox i-Blason Pixel 10 case. Thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.